Hi, my name is Manit and today's video is about making your code more readable. Having clean and readable code is very important so that others and yourself do not get confused and lost while reading your code. Having concise code could also help you save hours of debugging while working on some larger projects. In this video, we will give you 5 tips on how you can make your code look cleaner. Now moving on to tip 1, reusing code that will be used more than once. There's even an acronym for this tip. The acronym that most people use is DRY, don't repeat yourself. Now that you have the acronym down, ask yourself, why would you write a function over and over again? It will be much less time consuming to write it once and reuse it in multiple places. This makes the debugging process a lot easier as well. For example, if you find an error in the code, you will only have to look in one place, instead of copy-pasting a bug fix in multiple places. Now for tip 2, readability and maintainability over a generic solution. When you start applying DRY to your code, you introduce complexity, which can cause the readability of your code to decrease. To combat this, start with a generic solution when building features. Through iterations, you can reuse parts of the application and maintain a good level of readability and maintainability. Let's move on to tip 3, making modules and classes as small as possible. Smaller modules and classes are important because they make your code much easier to bug test, and this will be key when you're designing and building features for a new application. This is a feature built into most coding languages themselves. Most modern libraries and frameworks are divided into smaller building blocks instead of one file. JavaScript libraries and frameworks like Angular, React, and Vue apply the concept of components. Now for tip 4, setting some rules and guidelines for your code. A big part of writing readable and maintainable code is the architecture of the code and the code style. If you are working as a team, make sure it is clear to everyone what the code style is. For example, make sure it is clear to them whether you're using tabs or spaces for indentation. The best way to have consistent code rules and styles is to automate it. A lot of IDEs have this integrated, or they can be installed via plugins. An example of this is editor config. By adding editor config, all these rules will have been applied. Now for tip 5. If you're coding alone, code like you're on a team. If you're coding a project on your own, it is very tempting to write code that only you will understand. For example, writing unclear variable names or using character names for variables. Try to write your code like you're on a team. Imagine that your code is so clear that someone else can easily understand your code. An example of this can be labeling each variable a very understandable and clear name that represents its value. We also have some bonus tips for you guys to use to make sure that your code is more readable and easier to understand. They are whitespace and comments. A comment should be used before every function or method, and it should contain a brief description of what the method does. This will make it much easier for someone else who is looking at your code to understand what you have written, in turn making your code more readable and understandable. You can use whitespace for this as well, although we mostly add whitespace after a parameter, function, method, if, else, while, and other calls so that it is easier to identify where the code starts and ends. That concludes today's video on making your code more readable. Hopefully you will learn something new, as this is a concept that you will be using in all of your programs. If you have any questions, you can reach out to classes@globalcoders.org, and feel free to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more videos and consider donating at the link in the description to support our cause. See you in the next video.